Hey, what's up, Harmony One Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So, what's going on in this time in your Harmony, my friends? In this video, I will show you, my friends, the latest update, the latest price of the Harmony, the latest price change occurring in the Harmony in this video. Keep watch this video for more details and updates. Please, my friends, please, first of all, I request everyone to please subscribe now my channel, my friends, for more videos, my friends. This time if we look the latest price of the Harmony in the market, so the latest price is 0.08 USD dollar is the latest price of the Harmony. On the other side, if you look the price changes of the Harmony, so the pricing is the BTC price of the Harmony is going very low, my friends. This time the price of Harmony in the BTC is very low, my friends, but very soon they will become good, my friends. Don't worry about that. The market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Harmony is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. My friends, you know what, from the yesterday the price of Harmony is going down, and still the price of Harmony is negative, my friends. But I hope that is a temporary pause, my friends. Every cryptocurrency is fast down for some time, but that's not mean that when you see the small fall, so you decide to sell, my friends, and you're disappointed from this coin that now this time the price falls down, so you decide to sell, my friends. No, that's not a solution. You have to hold for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from cryptocurrencies market, my friends. My friends, my prediction about Harmony One is 100% positive. My friends, my prediction is that they will take a huge pump in the end of this month. In the end of this month, the huge pump of Harmony are coming soon, so wait for it. And my friends, that is why I recommend for everyone to please hold Harmony to the end of this month, my friends. To the end of this month, hold, my friends. Don't decide to sell. And at this time the price of Harmony is low, so if you want to invest more, so I think that's good. Remember, my friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Harmony? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.